Class 10. Subject Science, Chemistry. Chapter 2. Acids, Bases and Salts. Topics to be learned in this video. More about salts. More about salts. Family of salts. Salts having same positive or negative radicals belong to a family. Example, sodium chloride and sodium sulfate belong to family of sodium salts. Sodium chloride and potassium chloride belong to the family of chloride salts. The table given below shows salts and their chemical formulae and formed from which acids and bases. pH of salts. Salts of a strong acid and a strong base are neutral pH value of 7. Salts of a strong acid and weak base are acidic with pH value less than 7. Salts of a strong base and weak acid are basic in nature with pH value more than 7. pH of some salt samples, soluble in distilled water, and the acid and base used to form the salts are given. The given table shows pH of some salt samples, and the acid and base used to form the salts are given. Chemicals from common salt. Common salt, sodium chloride, is a neutral salt formed by reaction of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium chloride is separated from seawater containing many salts. Deposits of large crystals of solid salt are also found in several parts. These are often brown due to impurities. This is called rock salt. There are beds of rock salt formed when seas of bygone ages dried up. Rock salt is mined like coal. Common salt, a raw material for chemicals. Common salt is used in food. It is also a raw material to make sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, etc. Sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride called brine, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. The process is called the chlor-alkali process because of the products formed: chlor for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. Chlorine gas is given off at the anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. The three products produced in this process are all useful. Figure shows the different uses of these products. Chlorine is used for water treatment, swimming pools. PVC, disinfectants, CFCs, pesticides, etc. Sodium hydroxide is used for degreasing metals, soaps and detergents, paper making, artificial fibers. Hydrogen gas is used for fuels, margarine, ammonia for fertilizers. Bleaching powder. It is manufactured by using chlorine gas produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride, brine. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. Bleaching powder is represented as CaOCl2. The actual composition of CaOCl2 is quite complex. Uses of bleaching powder. For bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry. For bleaching wood pulp in paper factories. For bleaching washed clothes in laundry. As an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. To make drinking water free from germs. Baking soda. The chemical name of the baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. It is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw materials. It is a mild, non-corrosive basic salt. The following reaction takes place when it is heated during cooking. Uses of baking soda. To make tasty crispy pakoras, etc. It is added for faster cooking. To make baking powder, baking soda plus mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. When baking powder is heated or mixed in water, following reaction occurs. CO2 causes bread or cake to rise, making soft and spongy. It is an ingredient in antacids. Being alkaline, it neutralizes acidity in stomach. Used in soda acid fire extinguishers. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.